Welcome back, guys. We hope you're hungry because today, we're serving up something extra special for all you pasta aficionados out there. It's 2023, and the pasta making game has reached new heights. In this video, we're taking you on a delicious journey through the best pasta makers of the year, MZTOGR MZ150PR. First and foremost, I got the privilege of testing out the MZTOGR Pasta Maker Machine, and I must tell that it has dramatically transformed my handmade pasta game. This package, which contains a 150mm steel noodle maker machine with 9 adjustable thickness settings, a convenient Ravioli Maker Attachment, and a pasta drying rack, is a game changer for any pasta aficionado. The machine itself is extremely solid and well built, assuring long-term durability. The adjustable thickness settings let you to fine-tune the thickness of your pasta, whether you want paper-thin angel hair or thick, meaty fettuccini. Also, the Ravioli Maker Attachment is a wonderful accessory that makes it simple to make properly filled ravioli at home. Its pasta drying rack is also a lifesaver for drying pasta effectively and uniformly. Even as a novice pasta maker, I was blown away by how simple it was to operate. The directions supplied were clear and straightforward, making the entire procedure enjoyable. Cleanup was also a pleasure, owing to the easily washable, removable components. To summarize, the MZTOGR Pasta Maker Machine set has taken my pasta making experience to a whole new level, and I can't wait to experiment with all of the pasta options it provides. OFFTESTY. The second item is the OFFTESTY Pasta Maker Machine. With its changeable thickness settings, this stainless steel manual roller pasta maker makes it easy to manufacture a variety of pasta kinds such as spaghetti, fettuccini, lasagna, or dumpling skins. The ruggedness of this machine is one of its most notable aspects. The stainless steel structure feels solid and long-lasting. It can withstand the strain of rolling and cutting pasta dough without wobbling or becoming unstable. The various thickness settings are simple to use, and the accompanying noodles cutter makes things even easier. While it lacks additional attachments, such as a ravioli maker, it succeeds at its basic purpose of simply generating diverse pasta forms. I like the simple design since it's simple to build, use, and clean. This machine is not overly complicated, making it ideal for novices or anybody looking for a hassle-free pasta-making experience. Overall, this OFFTESTY Pasta Maker Machine is an excellent alternative for people seeking a dependable, manual pasta maker that produces consistent results without breaking the budget. Moving on, the Emeril Lagasse Pasta and Beyond Electric Pasta and Noodle Maker Machine is a multifunctional kitchen equipment that blends convenience and creativity in one package. It's a genuine multifunctional powerhouse, with the capacity to make 8 various pasta shapes and a bonus slow juicer attachment. The sleek and sophisticated appearance of this machine immediately drew my attention, as it looks excellent on the countertop and adds a sense of refinement to the kitchen. With this equipment, preparing pasta is a piece of cake, from conventional spaghetti and fettuccini to more unusual shapes like penne and angel hair. The many pasta shape options open up a world of culinary possibilities. The machine is easy to operate, with clear instructions and a computerized control screen that lets you to easily change settings. The accompanying slow juicer attachment is an excellent addition that allows you to create fresh, nutritious juices at home. This feature was especially helpful in introducing more fruits and veggies into my diet. Furthermore, the machine is extremely simple to clean, and the components are dishwasher safe, which is a significant convenience benefit. While it is a touch on the pricey side, the Emeril Lagasse Pasta and Beyond Electric Pasta and Noodle Maker Machine is a wonderful purchase for individuals who enjoy experimenting with pasta designs and have a slow juicer. Philips HR2660003. The Philips 7000 Series Pasta Maker with Pro Extrude technology is up next, a unique kitchen device that elevates handmade pasta to a whole new level. This pasta maker, with a power output of 150 watts, is a definite game changer for pasta lovers. The proextrude technology, which assures uniform and exact pasta extrusion, is one of its notable characteristics. With the included different pasta discs, you can effortlessly make a variety of pasta forms, from simple spaghetti to more sophisticated alternatives like penne and tagliatelle. The ability to cook up to 8 servings of pasta at once saves time, making it ideal for family dinners or celebrations. Its NutriU app compatibility updates the pasta making experience. This app offers a plethora of recipes, suggestions, and assistance to help you get the most out of your pasta machine, making it suitable for both novice and expert home cooks. Step-by-step instructions in the app make the entire procedure straightforward, assuring consistently tasty results. And what's more, the pasta maker's white finish is not only aesthetically beautiful, but it is also easy to clean, and the pieces are dishwasher safe for extra convenience. While the Philips 7000 series pasta maker is somewhat more expensive than other manual pasta makers, its simplicity of use, adaptability, and compatibility for the NutriU app make it an excellent purchase for anybody who enjoys making handmade pasta. Next, we have the WICHEMI electric pasta maker machine, which provides a practical and adaptable means of making delectable handmade pasta in your kitchen. This machine's 3-in-1 capability lets you to manufacture many varieties of pasta, such as 2.5mm round noodles, 4mm flat noodles, and 9mm flat noodles, giving you lots of alternatives for culinary creativity. The machine's stainless steel design not only provides it a sleek and strong appearance, but it also assures that it can easily resist the rigors of pasta manufacturing. Its 135W engine is powerful enough to roll and cut pasta dough smoothly, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. The machine is reasonably simple to use, and the clear directions make it suitable for users of varying skill levels. One noteworthy benefit of this pasta maker is its adaptability for family use. It can cater to a variety of tastes and preferences due to its capacity to make numerous noodle kinds, making it a flexible addition to any kitchen. It's also simple to clean, having removable sections that can be cleaned quickly. While it lacks some of the digital features and advanced technologies found in more expensive pasta makers, the WICHEMI electric pasta maker machine is a practical and cost-effective option for individuals who want to enjoy handmade pasta without a steep learning curve. VeoHome. Finally, there's the VeoHome manual pasta maker with dryer, a tried-and-true kitchen gadget for pasta lovers who want to experience the delight of making fresh handmade noodles, spaghetti, and lasagna. This Italian flat dough machine is made of sturdy stainless steel and is designed to survive for years, assuring a long-term investment. The customizable settings allow you to create multiple spaghetti thicknesses, allowing you to tailor your pasta to your taste preferences. Its sharp cutter makes the pasta cutting process easier, delivering clean and exact cuts every time. The hand crank action also is simple to operate and provides a hands-on pasta making experience that many home cooks like. The addition of a built-in pasta dryer distinguishes this pasta maker. For individuals who enjoy creating large quantities of pasta to use later or share with friends and family, this capability is a game changer. The pasta dryer ensures that your newly prepared pasta is uniformly dried, retaining its freshness and flavor. While some human labor is required, the VeoHome human pasta maker produces authentic and gratifying results that make the extra work worthwhile. And there you have it, our roundup of the best pasta makers for 2023. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice in the kitchen, these pasta makers offer a world of culinary possibilities right at your fingertips.